Hi everyone, here is a quick unboxing and review of an aftermarket handrest for the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. We sourced this from Amazon and there are so many dealers selling this handrest for various rates. We took a chance and went with a link which had about 15 deals with 4.3 rating. So the armrest was shipped in a cardboard box, no protective packaging with bubble wraps or such inside. They should have wrapped it with at least one or two layers of bubble wrap to prevent damage during transit. So this is a unit which came wrapped in a polythene cover.
Sketchy, but it's not bad. It's open.
So here is a close-up of the unit. The armrest is finished in a black vinyl upholstered over a cushioned base. The quality is very good for an aftermarket armrest, and I say this after having owned the Polo with two OE armrests and the Jazz now. The finishing and stitching are very good. We don't see any loose stitches or unfinished areas anywhere. The box at the base is made of ply covered in the vinyl on the outer side and soft polyester carpeting material on the inside. The inside of the armrest also has a storage compartment with a hinge, neatly covered everywhere and no unfinished areas visible. It lacks a latch to hold the armrest though, which we can always install from outside. Installation is very simple as it is just a fit-on type, no screws required. Just slot the armrest above the handbrake area on the center tunnel. Adjust the space so the handbrake functionality is not obstructed, and that's pretty much it. You can move the armrest towards the forward or to the rear depending on how you want it based on comfort. And no other part from the car is compromised like a storage area or something.
Just put like this and leave it.
While securing the armrest, please ensure that you get sufficient space to hold the handbrake to pull it and to release it. Here is a close-up of the carpeted storage area I had mentioned before. About time car manufacturers start providing a useful armrest in all cars. It is very convenient to park the left arm, especially during long drives. So that is all guys. I hope this video was useful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye and take care.